Are you recording?
Yes.
Great. So, hello everyone. Welcome back to the last quarterfinal of the second grand tournament for Convits. Uh, till now, we've had 3 quarterfinals, and we already have our first 6 semifinalists. They are Apurv, Surbhi, uh, Devarshi, Aditya, Joshita, and Seda. Today, we have 4 participants, of which 2 are debutants, 2 have played before, and 2 of them will be qualifying into the last 2 slots of the semifinals. So, talking of the debutants first, so we have Anshuman and Jitendra. Then we have Jeet and Shwetank, which will also be today's sequence. We'll go with the rules once because there are 2 debutants. I need to acknowledge this. First and foremost, Quizmaster is always right, and this time it is true because I have also done a lot of research while getting the answers. Second is that the participants shall not be allowed to use a virtual background that has the answer to it. None of the answers say lamp, so you're in the good area, Anshu. So
your office?
हाँ वो पता नहीं मेरे को अभी याद नहीं, बट नहीं होगा. I mean नहीं है. So the office gives you fun points. There will be 10 marks for every correct answer in the first attempt, 5 marks for the second attempt. The second attempt will be once everyone has taken a turn, nobody got the right answer. I'll give out a hint and then we'll go another round. If nobody gets it, then we'll move on to the next question. These questions will be passed in a cyclic manner, which will be Anshuman, Jitendra, Jeet, and Shwetank. After the first half, which will be after 10 questions, we'll be reversing the entire order, making it Shwetank, Jeet, Jitendra, and Anshuman. Your humor-based answers are encouraged, and so are your wild guesses, because a lot of times these wild guesses turn out to be the right answer. Lastly, जीतने पर इनाम, ना जीतने पर आश्वासन is our motto for this particular tournament. If we come up with if a good copywriter will give me a better motto, then probably I'll improvise on that. So all the best to everyone, and we start off today's quiz with the first direct for Anshuman.
Yep.
The X are a family residing in Orbit City. The city's architecture is rendered in the Googie style, and the homes and businesses are raised high above the ground on adjustable columns. George X lives with his family in the Skypad apartments. His wife, Jane, is a homemaker. Their teenage daughter, Judy, attends Orbit High School. And their son, Elroy, attends Little Dipper School. Housekeeping is seen to be by a maid named Rosie, which handles chores not otherwise rendered trivial by the home's numerous push-button, space-age envisioned conveniences. Identify X, the name of the family that we are focusing on.
ये रियल है या फिक्शन है? मतलब ये ऑर्बिट सिटी है क्या कहीं पे?
नहीं,
फिक्शन है. अच्छा. पता नहीं. सिम्पसन्स?
Not the Simpsons. We'll go to Jitendra.
No idea, man.
Okay. Would you like to take a guess, though?
Actually, I was guessing for Simpson only, but that is out of question now.
Okay, going to Jeet.
Jetsons.
Brilliant answer. It is the Jetsons. Jeet opens his account with 10 points for Jetsons. Jetsons is a space age cartoon show, first broadcasted in the 60s and then revamped from time to time. The Jetsons opens the account for Jeet, bringing the next direct to Shwetank. X is believed to be named from an atomic energy commission numbering grid, although X is not part of this system. It's not part of the AEC. It is adjacent to another numbered grid. Another explanation is that blank was used, which is the number that we're talking about in the grid, was used because it was unlikely that the AEC would use that number. According to the Central Intelligence Agency, or the CIA, the correct names for the facility are Homi Airport, XTA, KXTA, and Groom Lake, though the name X was used in a CIA document from the Vietnam War. That is why, even though the official name was given as Homi Airport, we do call it, or we do think that the CIA also addresses it as X. So, what exactly X is X? What is that name that we're talking about?
Just one moment. We'll be trying to listen again.
Sure.
No idea.
Going to Anshuman.
Um, numbering grid. It's a type of a numbering grid.
Yeah.
What's a numbering grid?
Basically, something that has been given a serial number.
Serial number. पता नहीं, random guess. Matrix.
Not the
Yeah.
matrix. Going to Jitendra.
Is it something area? Area 19 or 20 something?
Is that your final answer?
Area 51. No? 51, yes.
Brilliant answer. It is Area 51. Area 51 is also known as Homi Airport and Groom Lake. So Jitendra also opens his account. Brilliant answer. Bringing the next direct to Jeet. The trial was a consequence of the Sepoy Mutiny and lasted for 41 days, had 19 hearings with 21 witnesses and over 100 documents in Persian and Urdu with their English translations. All of this was produced in the court. At first, the trial was suggested to be held at Calcutta, the place where the directors of the East India Company used to have their sittings in connection with their commercial pursuits. But instead, later, Red Fort in Delhi was selected for the trial, and it became the first case under the Company Raj that was taken up at the Red Fort. The reason of the switch was the person who was being prosecuted. I want you to tell me the name of the person.
Is this Mangal Pandey?
Not Mangal Pandey. Going to Shwetank.
Was moved from Calcutta to Delhi. Must be because might be a prominent person from Calcutta, and then
I can't answer
right.
that.
Just think out loud. Was it Bose?
Not Subhash Chandra Bose. Going to Anshuman.
भाई मेरे यही दोनों गेस थे पहले. अब मेरे को कोई तीसरा फ्रीडम फाइटर सोचना पड़ेगा. तीसरा कौन है, मुझे पता नहीं. नहीं, रैंडम महात्मा गांधी।
Not Mahatma
महात्मा
Gandhi.
गांधी वायलेंस कर रहे हैं कभी कभी, नहीं कर रहे क्या?
Not Mahatma Gandhi. Going
बस
to
खाली
Jeet.
गांजा फूकते फूकते करते हैं वो लोग।
शिट मैन।
काफी एडिट पॉइंट्स होने वाले हैं इसमें।
कट हुए कट।
Jitendra, it's your turn.
Actually, I have no idea, but I was guessing Mahatma Gandhi because there is no other option. So, no idea. Don't recall any freedom fighters apart from Bhagat Singh and all. Was it Bhagat Singh?
Not Bhagat Singh. Going to Jeet.
अरे हिंट मिलेगा ना।
क्लू किधर है?
अच्छा, तेरा डायरेक्ट था क्या? Sorry.
हाँ
So the clue part, the hint part that I'm going to talk about is that you are again going a little ahead in the timeline. The Sepoy Mutiny was the mutiny of 1857,
Yeah.
and the fact that we are talking about Red Fort plays an important role.
मंगल पांडे भी मैं आगे निकल गया क्या? He was
वही-
during
नहीं,
that
नहीं,
time.
नहीं. Mangal Pandey was from the Sepoy Mutiny, but not the right answer.
Okay. I don't remember his name, but was it that last Mughal emperor, that guy? मुझे नाम बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा, but that's my guess. The last Mughal emperor, whoever he was.
Okay, I'll give you part points for that, but I need a name, so we'll go ahead to Anshuman.
लास्ट मुगल
मैं रहूंगा ना, मैं रहूंगा आगे।
Sorry, Shwetang.
अरे सॉरी भाई।
तो पार्ट पॉइंट से लास्ट मुगल एम्परर बोलने के एम्परर बोलने के लिए रही।
Huh. So now it's just for the name. I have a few points that are there.
तो बाबर तो नहीं हो सकता।
कौन?
बाबर नहीं हो सकता।
बाबर तो पहला था।
पता है।
Babur was the first one.
Guys, I knew that was just a joke. मुझे औरंगजेब के बाद पता नहीं, तो मैं औरंगजेब ही बोलने वाला।
Not Aurangzeb. Going to Anshuman.
अरे यार मुझे भी नहीं पता औरंगजेब के बाद कौन है। कोई औरंगजेब द 2।
No, not Aurangzeb the second.
ऐसा कोई था।
Was that your final answer though?
Yeah, obviously I don't know anything after that. In his family tree. I'm not interested.
I think the last one was, I think, Bahadur Shah Zafar, no?
Brilliant answer. It is Bahadur Shah Zafar. So
और इसके दोनों बेटों को अंडमान के वो काला पानी में डाला था ना?
तीनों बेटों का सर काट दिया था.
हाँ. अरे sad.
Dark.
So I'll give 2 points to Jeet and 3 points to Jitendra because it was a 5-pointer. So with Bahadur Shah Zafar, the next direct again goes to Jeet. One of the earliest examples of X was invented by Alexander Parkes in 1855, who named his invention Parkesine. We know it today as celluloid. So Parkesine today is called as celluloid. A key breakthrough came in 1907 when Belgian-American chemist Leo Baekeland invented blank, the first real synthetic mass-produced X. So Baekeland created something which was blank, and in general, celluloid, what Baekeland created, everything is considered into one product. which is eggs. So I want the generic name of that product.
No, I'll pass.
Okay, no problem. Going to Shwetank.
I'll pass as
Anshuman.
ATP.
I'm giving you fun points, but not ATP.
Okay,
Going
sorry.
to Jitendra.
Actually, I'm confused between plastic and rubber. So, can you give me a hint, if possible?
I would have given you the hint, but you should not speak out your guesses in a loud manner. That would be my first and last hint in such a stage.
Okay, I'll say plastic.
Brilliant answer. It is plastic. Plastic came up with Bakelite by Bakelite, adding 10 more points to Jitendra, and again bringing the direct to Jeet. Jeet has a ongoing record of getting the most number of directs in every
Yeah.
quiz.
Do I get something for it?
Maybe if I have the budget.
More questions?
Yeah, that is inevitable. So the
And
direct
Ashwasan.
Ashwasan as well. So,
Yeah.
yes, formed in 1949, Blank is a security service that was translated in English as Institute for Intelligence and Special Operations, with the motto, uh, where there is no guidance, a nation falls, but in an abundance of counselors, there is safety. This agency is known for conducting numerous covert operations and succeeding in curbing anti-national activities despite not being a superpower nation. Fill in the blank with the name of the organization.
I actually wanted to say FBI, but when you said it's not superpower nation, I won't say FBI.
Jeet,
So,
it's Jeet's turn.
you said Jitendra, no?
No, Jeet. I'll say Jeet.
Actually, you first said Jitendra. Okay, my.
And so it begins.
See, this is why I wanted to play this game.
Actually, you first said Jitendra. So I'm my heard wrong. Okay, my.
We have the recording, guys. Don't worry.
ठीक है. This is Mossad.
Brilliant answer. It is Mossad. So Mossad gets 10 points for Jeet. Bring the next direct to Shwetank.
Just saying, like ये confusion के लिए मुझे extra 10 fun points मिलने चाहिए.
नहीं
Putting
भाई,
it there.
उसको मिलने चाहिए ना भाई. उसने तो ट्राई भी किया और बेचारे एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं हुआ आंसर.
Yeah, actually at least 3 to 4 points. Huh?
मिला है, कुछ तो मिला है. So we'll disclose that later.
Great.
The traditional ये देखो question भी नहीं पढ़ा है, spectator group का आंसर आ जाता है. The traditional blank is well known for using so many varieties of spices like star anise, whole red chilies, fennel seed, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, peppercorn, cumin seeds, and fenugreek. So basically a buttload of spices. In blank, all the blanks are same. Common secret ingredients are dried flower pods and kalpasi, which is known as patthar ka phool in Hindi and blackstone flower in English. The richness of the gravies is increased by addition of tomatoes, coconut, ginger, and garlic. Traditionally, the spices were grounded using grinding stones. Blank, again the same word, is loaded with distinct aromas and flavors. What cuisine from the Indian subcontinent are we talking about? This is a direct for Shwetank.
I'm just going to go with biryani.
Not biryani. Good guess. Going to Jitendra.
अरे मेरे को भूल गए भाई।
It's fine. Sorry. Anshuman,
भाई मुझे लग रहा है कि सांबर है ये।
you are on the right track, so I'll just give you another chance to improvise on the cuisine.
भाई साउथ इंडिया में एक ही डिश पता है मुझे, उसके बाद क्या होता है? डोसा, सांबर और चेट्टीनाड पता नहीं। और मेरे को डिश नहीं पता, बस इडली सांबर डोसा पता है।
So I want a final answer.
अरे यार सांबर गलत बोल दिया।
I want a final answer focusing on the cuisine that we're talking about, not the dish, as the question suggests.
अच्छा क्विजीन, साउथ इंडियन क्विजीन। पता नहीं, आई पास।
Okay. Jitendra,
Actually, I haven't had so much of South Indian food, but I'll take a random guess out of nowhere. I'll say chole kulche.
not chole kulche, obviously. Going to Jeet.
अंशुमन यार तूने बोल दिया था,
क्या
इट्स
चेट्टीनाड
चेटिनाड।
है?
हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
जी।
So it is
हो
Chettinad.
सकता है, मेरे को वही
So
वर्ड पता था बस।
since he did not
इसका
give out
मतलब
the
क्या होता
final answer, it is the name of the cuisine. So since
है? अच्छा,
Anshuman did utter the word, I'll give 2 points to Anshuman for that and 8 points to Jeet.
उसमें भी नहीं जीतने वाले, मतलब मैं।
So
चेट्टीनाड भाई,
Chettinad is the name of the cuisine that is right.
बहुत अमेजिंग खाना होता है ब्रो।
यहाँ पे नहीं मिलता।
अरे
मिलेगा
यूएस में सरवना भवन है ना?
मेरे मतलब घर के आसपास नहीं यार, मतलब
यूएस में
I also
50
never heard
स्टेट
of it.
है ब्रो, 50 स्टेट है
हाँ?
उनके पास.
अरे मतलब लाइक
हम्म,
आई हैव हर्ड सरवना भवन इज इन यू, लाइक इट इज देयर इन मल्टीपल लोकेशंस यूएस में।
और गोलियां भी हैं सबके पास, गन्स भी हैं।
इरशाद।
Okay. With this, the next direct goes to Shwetank. So this is a discography. Identify the band from the list of these singles that they've created.
I have not heard any of these songs. Sorry. I have not. My random guess is, no, it's not right, is Backstreet Boys.
Nice guess, not the right answer. Going to Anshuman.
भाई यार, भाई मैं सिर्फ विनी विची सुनता हूँ, पर अम, अगर गैस मारा जाए तो पिंक फ्लॉयड।
Good guess, not
पिंक
Pink Floyd. Uh,
गुड
Going
गेस।
to Jitendra.
I haven't heard any song, so I'll just give a random guess. Linkin Park.
Not Linkin Park. Going to Jeet.
देखो ना तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ, तो मतलब जाने दो, पास।
वन डायरेक्शन बोल दो भाई, वन डायरेक्शन।
ठीक है चलो, वन डायरेक्शन।
Not obviously not One Direction. So we'll go another round with a hint. Just a second. Yeah, but
Chase
status,
Singh, Anu Malik.
yeah,
बादशाह
please
बादशाह।
refrain from putting up chats in the chat box. Spectator group उसी के लिए. Second
वो
thing,
बचपन का प्यार वाला लौंडा, सॉरी।
The hint for this particular band that we're talking about is that this band was formed after the death of Kurt Cobain. So, because Kurt Cobain died, one of the members started a one-person group, like one-person collective, and slowly and gradually people got added, and this became like in '94. This became a proper band, and this film discography started off. So
Only
a
if I
band
knew
that
who
has
this Kurt guy was.
Kurt Cobain was.
नहीं मत कर explain, it's okay.
So we'll go another round with Shwetank.
Yeah. I still have no. I'm just going to say it's Venga Boys. Obviously not the right answer. So
Not Venga Boys. You get 1 point for that answer though. And we go to Anshuman.
Green Day.
Not Green Day. Good guess. Going to Jitendra.
Beatles.
Can be.
I am giving you another chance to give me a final answer because I know this is a joke answer. Even if it wasn't, I am not
Yeah,
going to
it was
consent.
because I. Okay, wait. I'll give. I have to guess only. So. Imagine Dragons.
Okay.
Not Imagine Dragons. Good guess. Going to Jeet.
Don't. Pass.
Okay. So no one gets this particular answer. The correct answer for this band is Foo Fighters.
क्या?
Never heard of it.
Foo Fighters was a band that got
नाम ही
established
सुना है.
in 1994. Very popular
I guess the
band.
closest was Cape Cube.
It was a
Nobody.
UK band.
She knew the real answer. That's why she gave that answer. So, okay. With this, we go to the next direct for Shwetank again because nobody got this. Blank is a name given to a motion picture with synchronized sound or sound technologically coupled to an image, as opposed to a silent film. The first known public exhibition of projected sound films took place in Paris in 1900, but decades passed before sound motion pictures were made commercially practical. Reliable synchronization was difficult to achieve with the early sound on disc systems, and amplification and recording quality were also inadequate till 1923. So, what do we commonly call these motion pictures which have synchronized sounds?
Is it something very obvious?
Yes,
I mean, it's a very commonly used word.
it is what, as I said, it's a very commonly used word and everyone uses it.
Is it cinema?
Good guess, not cinema. Going to Anshuman.
Movie.
Good guess again, but not movie. Jitendra.
Something. Talkies.
Brilliant answer. It is talkies. Talkies is the name that we gave to sound films, movies which had sounds as support opposed to the silent movies. Talkies get another 10
Right.
points to into Jitendra's account, bringing the next direct to Jeet. This is a game. So this game is thought to have its origins in the French game L'Attaque, played during the First World War, although parallels have also been drawn to E.I. Horseman's 1890 game Basilinda, and the game is said to have been played by Russian officers before First World War. The first commercial version of the game was Salvo, published in 1931 in the United States by the StarX company, based on fictional war machines and their architecture. What two-player strategy game are we talking about, which started as a board game and now also has a video game on various platforms?
Battleship.
Brilliant answer. It is Battleship. Battleship gets 10 points for Jeet. This is probably the quickest answer I've gotten in a while. The next direct for Shwetank is Marco Polo came to China in the 13th century. During that time, he found several things that, according to him, would have been really feasible and productive back in Italy. He picked these things up and went back. However, the one thing that caught up extensively in Italy and was modified to the Italian need was eggs, a staple food item in China and later in Italy as well. What is this food item? What is eggs?
It's spaghetti.
Did you say fucking with a Italian accent?
I said spaghetti.
Okay, I'll give it to you. The word I was looking for was noodles. So because the Chinese item that was taken up. So
Nodules.
noodles gets Shwetank his first 10 points. And with this, we come to an end to the first half. Now the order will be reversed, which will be again Shwetank, Jeet, Jitendra, and Anshuman. So the next direct will be for Shwetank again. Traditionally, Blank is a retail establishment that sells a selection of fine, exotic, or foreign prepared foods. It originated in Germany during the 18th century and spread to the United States in the mid 19th century. That is because European immigrants to the United States, especially Ashkenazi Jews, popularized the concept in American culture beginning in the late 19th century. More recently, many larger retail stores like supermarkets, etc., have also created this blank section. Now, what popular concept of stores are we talking about? Both the blanks are same.
तक आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
वो मैं खुद से ही बात
अच्छा.
मतलब मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. This is something that I'm going to regret not getting. Right?
I don't know. I mean, it depends on your vocabulary. I can't help that particular aspect.
So it's not that common.
Nowadays, it is. Okay. Going to Jeet.
हाँ, हर खाने में ऑरिगेनो डाल के उसको गौरमे बोलना वाज नॉट फनी. जैसे गौरमे.
Not, I mean, I've used the word gourmet somewhere, I guess. No, I haven't.
किधर?
नहीं क्या चलो, but not gourmet. Gourmet is not the right answer.
अरे
ओ इतना टाइम लिया, मुझे लगा कि सही आंसर है.
नहीं, जितेंद्र.
मैंने जितने कॉन्फिडेंस से ये बोला ना, मुझे लगा यही है आंसर.
हाँ. Who's to give answer now?
आपको
Okay. ये dairy product.
Could you repeat that?
Dairy product. Dairy section also in supermarket.
Is that a final answer?
Yeah, because I don't know.
Okay, not dairy products.
Okay.
Going to Anshuman.
भाई यार सुपर मार्केट तो मैं ज्यादा ही नहीं हूँ. बट पता नहीं मेरे को. पास.
Okay, we'll go another round with Shwetank. Now, this basically, the word that I'm looking for is a short form for another word, and it's a German slash Hebrew word, so primarily German word, which basically talks about food and uh, the delicacy that it is from a particular place. That will be all the hint that I'm dropping here. We'll go another round with Shwetank.
What is the second hint that you said?
That
I
the
did
word
that.
basically means something that is a particular place, a delicacy of a particular place. So whether it's packed, it's fresh, whatever it is, that is what the word means. So the short form is what I'm looking for.
And short form as in, is it the initial or as a
No, normal.
partial words? I'm asking as if I know something. I don't. So pass.
Okay, going to Jeet.
No, I'll pass.
Jitendra.
Hey, Maharaj, what is your background? Sorry. I'll pass.
Okay, Anshuman.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स.
Exotic.
Is that a final answer?
Exotic.
Yeah, that's what I can see in front of me. So,
Okay, not cold drink, but so nobody gets this particular answer. The answer to this question is Delhi.
yeah.
So the word that is
Oh,
is delicatessen,
Oh.
and since nobody gets this, the next direct will go back to Shwetank. The tale reflects the trend within the Abbasid realm of Arab and Muslim sailors exploring the world. The stories display the folk and themes present in works of that time. The Abbasid reign was known as a period of great economic and social growth. Arab and Muslim traders would seek new trading routes and people to trade with. This process of growth is reflected in the X tales. The stories take on a variety of different themes. Later sources include Abbasid works such as The Wonders of the Created World, reflecting the experiences of 13th century Arab mariners who braved the Indian Ocean. Who was this X on whom these tales were created?
Is X also part of Rockon's discography? Is it Sinbad?
Brilliant answer. It is Sinbad the Sailor. So
यार मेरे पे easy आया यार.
Sinbad gets another 10 points into Shwedank's account. Bring the next direct to Jeet. The original concept is about a political procedure where one or more members of parliament or congress debate over a proposed piece of legislation so as to delay or entirely prevent a decision being made on the proposal. It is sometimes referred to as talking a bill to death or talking out a bill. What is the procedure, which is also the name of a popular Potter artifact? Potter artifact is not something made out of mud, but the Harry Potter universe.
Oh, एक minute. I just read it again.
Yeah.
This won't be a time turner for sure because Potter artifact. So like ये movies में आया था क्या? Can you just tell that?
No, I can't answer that.
I'll pass.
Going to Jitendra.
Maybe ऐसा eliminate हो जाएगा उसके बाद next time I'll get something.
Sorry, Jitendra.
I'm thinking. Legislation. I'll pass. Don't know.
Anshuman.
भाई ये इंग्लिश वर्ड है.
हाँ जी.
भाई मैंने तो सारी हैरी पॉटर हिंदी में देखी थी. अब तो जो वर्ड उसमें कॉमन था वो था विंगार्डियम लेवियोसा, पर वो तो हो नहीं सकता. पॉलिटिकल प्रोसीजर का नाम विंगार्डियम लेवियोसा.
निर्वस्त्र भव.
हाँ मेरे
कुछ
That was the wrong Harry Potter.
I know it's Nishastra Prabha. I was just
वाटर आर्टिफैक्ट, वो जो उसमें बॉल होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? बॉल नहीं, जिसको चेज
सुनहरी
करते हैं,
गेंद।
इसमें विंग्स होते हैं।
सुनहरी गोला.
सुनहरी, सुनहरा जो भी
सुनहरी गेंद।
सुनहरी गेंद। भाई
सुनहरा दिन के पास बस।
पता नहीं भाई। मगलू।
Not the right answer.
Shit, man.
We will go to Shwetank.
बगलू, वो भी हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में बगल।
Oh God. I mean, delay or prevent. Unicorn blood doesn't sound.
सेंस नहीं बनेगा कोर्ट में, वो वहां पे पार्लियामेंट में।
पार्लियामेंट में खून चूसते हैं नॉर्मल लोगों का, यूनिकॉर्न का.
I don't think ये वर्ड ऐसे नॉर्मल हमारे मगलू भाषा में यूज होता है, but then though it is the only word that is currently making sense, so I'm just going to go with Horcrux.
Oh,
Not Horcrux.
Okay.
We'll go another round with Jeet. The hint is this artifact is a particular object used by Fred and George Weasley. Basically, it's a wizarding bees. And we'll go another round.
I just know one, like एक का ही मुझे ऐसे नाम ओवर द टॉप याद आ रहा है, फिलिबस्टर.
Brilliant answer. It is filibuster. Filibuster gets points into Jeet's account. Filibuster is the political procedure.
हिंदी में क्या होता है भाई?
कुछ नहीं है, बुक में था ना ये.
हाँ, ये मूवी में नहीं था शायद.
मूवी में नहीं था।
हिंदी ट्रांसलेटेड बुक्स पढ़ लेंगे।
No fire.
अरे ये
fire.
वही रहेगा वो जो अम्बरिज को ऐसा वो
No,
पटाखे
movie में
फोड़ते थे
they
उसके
shown
एग्जाम
how
में.
they used it, but they didn't say the name. I think.
हाँ.
So filibuster gets 5 points for Jeet, and the next direct is for Jitendra. In Scotland, whiskey is traditionally served one of the two ways, either neat or with a drop of water. The tradition of adding a drop of water opens the aromatic profile of the drink, bringing out the complexities of whiskey. Seldom did people wanted their drinks at a colder temperature, but back in the days, the unavailability of ice led them to take up an alternative for ice. This gave rise to a phrase that is still popular.
On the rocks.
अरे यार
क्या मतलब स्पीड, क्या स्पीड.
यार
So, on the rocks obviously is the right answer. So they used to pick up rocks
वो
from
ठंडे पत्थर थे ना.
Yeah.
cold
Yeah. They used to pick up rocks from the river, I guess.
levels. And that gets 10 points for Jitendra, bringing the next direct to Anshuman.
भाई एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लो उससे पहले.
हाँ जी.
भाई ये सीजन 1 और सीजन 2 का लोएस्ट स्कोर क्या है?
छोड़ रही दोस्त, मैं 5 पॉइंट
नहीं
पे क्या है?
नहीं, किसी से फर्स्ट नहीं आ सकते तो पीछे से फर्स्ट आ जाओ.
So I think 0 था lowest कभी तो, but let's just
अरे भाई वो 4-5 तो फन पॉइंट मिल गया है.
तो माइनस माइनस नहीं होता क्या इसमें?
नहीं, माइनस होता तो फिर क्या ही हो जाता. So the next direct is for Anshuman. Now, one 19th century source suggests that X may be related to the Greek bread mafula, baked on hearth or griddle, or from Old French for soft bread, which may have been corrupted into another word, which means उन्होंने word को थोड़ा तोड़ मरोड़ दिया. The word is first found in print in 1703, spelled differently. It is of uncertain origin, but possibly derived from a Low German word meaning a small cake. What is the baked good? What is this word that I'm looking for?
भाई उसको तुम दारू वाला सवाल पूछ रहे हो, मेरे से भाई खाने पीने का पूछ रहे हो। Baked bread. Um, Funny. Cake.
I'll give you another chance to improvise. You're on the right track.
Pastry.
Not pastry.
Brown. Sorry.
तो ऐसे
Sorry.
eliminate नहीं कर सकते ना अकेले खुद ही.
Sorry.
Going to
So
Shwetang.
it's not brown.
भाई 4 पॉइंट दे देना.
Is it souffle? I don't know why I didn't say it. Yeah.
Not soufflés. Going to
Me.
Jeet.
Muffin?
Brilliant answer. It is muffin.
मैं ब्राउनी का
I
मफिन
wanted
नहीं
to
बोलता
kill
भाई.
it.
ब्राउनी के बाद मैं मफिन ही बोलने वाला था.
It was muffin. Okay.
मतलब
Playing
मेरा
the-
ऐसा लाइक पहले केक, फिर आई वेंट टू पेस्ट्री, फिर आई वेंट टू कपकेक और फिर मफिन. ऐसा मेरा क्रोनोलॉजी था.
Yeah, actually, I was
The giveaway was small cake, and that was all.
हाँ, वो और फिर वो माफू जो भी था वो
Small
ब्रेड
cake,
का
yeah.
नाम, लाइक वो मफिन जैसा साउंड किया तो.
So muffin gets another 10 points for Jeet, bringing the next direct to Jitendra. The National Hot Rod Association started this particular sporting event in 1951 that was quite popular amongst World War veterans in the 1940s. It is an automobile-driven event wherein the participants are supposed to focus on gaining the maximum speed in the least amount of time. The reason why the objective is so simple is because conventionally the total length of the playing track is shorter than any other format, somewhat around 400 meters. What is this format, or what sport are we talking about?
Why do I think the sport that was mentioned in the Ford and Ferrari? I'm not sure.
Do you want to give a type of race that we
Yeah,
talk?
I'm just trying to get the name. You know? F1 race, random race.
Not F1. Going to Anshuman.
Is it drag race?
Brilliant answer. It is drag race. Race gets 10 points for Anshuman. So drag races
चलो
are
भाई.
usually short distance, and you need to make sure that you make the transmission at the right time. So with this, the next direct goes to Shwetank. The following is a list of places with a lot of relevance in sustainable development. However, they are not significant for that reason, which means there is some relevance, there's some reason why sustainable development is associated with these places, but they are still not known for that particular reason. I want you to tell me why. The places are Panamik in Nubra Valley, Kheer Ganga, Manikaran Sahib, Kattapani, Gaurikund, Yumthang, and Reshi. यार जीत रुक जा. जीत हंसती है इसी पे एक पॉइंट.
Sorry.
यार कुछ भी नहीं पता है मुझे यहाँ पे, एक भी नाम नहीं पता.
420 फ्रेंडली होते तो पता होता. एक तो.
वो अच्छा, is that
Okay, going to Jeet.
So basically, like they are relevant for sustainable development, but they are these places are famous for some other reason. That is what you're trying to.
Yeah.
I don't know, like vehicles are not allowed there. You need to track your way there. That is why they are
Good guess.
relevant.
Good guess. Not the right answer. Going to Jitendra.
No idea. I'll pass.
Going to Anshuman.
भाई ये खीर गंगा और मणिकरण साहिब आई गेस, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट खीर गंगा आई गेस ये वहीं पे है ना, मलाना तोश कसौल की साइड। तो आई गेस लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से, क्योंकि वहां पे सड़कें तो बहुत ही खराब थी।
Not the landslide factor. We'll go another round with uh, Shwetank. The hint for this particular question is that these regions, they have a particular type of water body, and that plays an important role with sustainable development. So we'll go another round with Shwetank.
They have a particular type of water body, but then they are known for a different reason, and I need to get that reason. And that has nothing to do with the water body.
No, it has to do with the water bodies only. That's why I gave it in the hint.
Um, Sustainable development. Artificial lakes.
Is that a final answer?
Yeah.
Not artificial lakes. We'll go to Jeet.
Hydroelectricity,
Would you like
they are known.
to advise on that?
They all these places have waterfalls and there are वो turbines वगैरह है उधर to produce electricity.
Good guess. Very close, but not the right answer. Going to Jitendra.
तो मैंने नाम भी इनके नहीं सुना, सिर्फ मणिकरण का थोड़ा बहुत नाम सुना है, तो I'll pass करना।
You'll pass.
Yeah.
Lastly, Anshuman.
Is it dams?
Okay. Not dams. So nobody gets this particular answer. The actual answer, the answer that I was looking for is that these are all hot springs that are not used for geothermal energy. So none of
ऐसा
these.
कुछ
हाँ.
नहीं you go on ना बाद में
So
बोलता हूँ.
these are the places where they have hot springs, but they have religious purposes, tourist location spots. But these are not the geothermal energy spots in India. There are other springs which are. So nobody gets this. With this, again, Shwetank will get the next direct.
ऐसा कुछ है क्या, ऐसा कोई stat की most number of questions not answered by a specific group?
वैसे कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. This is the fun part because all the directs for Shwetank are the ones which are left unanswered. So
So this goes on the record कि मुझे बहुत difficult questions.
तो बाकियों ने भी आंसर नहीं दिया ना, that's why they are unanswered. So the next direct again goes to Shwetank. Now Samuel Morse established a language that was found to be a key moment in the world of covert and emergency communication. Later, it was also used in terms of general communication for a very long time. In India, it was first used in 1850 and was very relevant till 2013, after which it was considered as it wasn't considered as a cost-efficient technology. What mode of communication are we talking about?
Morse code? I hope that's the answer.
I'm talking about the mode of communication, not the language. So I'll give you another chance to, because Morse code, obviously, it would have been very out there because of the name. So it's not the answer.
That's this. उसको तो टैप वगैरह करके. Oh.
You want to take a guess?
Morse code तो ऐसे टैप वगैरह करके कुछ तो communication.
I'm
What
talking
are
about
different?
I'm talking about the general communication aspect that was used later. That you have to tell me. Did you say pass?
Yeah, I'll pass.
इतना हल्के में मत बोला करिए, सुनाई नहीं देता.
अच्छा वो है तो सही.
Going to Jeet.
So like it was used for covert communication earlier, and then वो normal चीजों के लिए भी use होने लग गया.
The language was used for covert communication in the beginning. Then that same language was used for general communication. So what
General as in like ऐसे
जैसे
you
मैं
and me
तेरे से
talking
बात करता
types.
हूँ. हाँ.
I don't know, radio communication.
Good guess, but not radio. Going to Jitendra.
I have heard this in school where you used to put a I mean every word there was a money on it. I don't remember the name of it. I'll pass.
Okay. Going to Anshuman.
Electromagnetic communication.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
That is my final answer.
Not electromagnetic communication. We'll go another round with Shwetank. Now, I'll give you two hints with this question. The first is that the reason why it got discontinued in 2013 is because the annual expenditure to maintain that particular service was around 100 crore rupees, but the revenue that was garnered through this particular communication was only 75 lakhs. The last person who received a message through this was Rahul Gandhi, because of which the last particular transmission was also something that was very much in relevance during that phase. So we'll go another round with Shwetank.
वो तो समझ में आ गया था, कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट नहीं है करके।
तो मैं बस यही बता रहा था, आई एम जस्ट रीइटरेटिंग कि कितना ज्यादा लॉस था इसमें, दैट्स व्हाई इट गॉट डिसकंटिन्यूड। अदरवाइज बीएसएनएल भी लॉस में ही चल रहा है, बट स्टिल इट्स स्टिल देयर।
पर पहाड़ों पे से बीएसएनएल ही मिलता है भाई।
Is it Telegram?
Brilliant answer, it is Telegram. So Shwetank gets 5 points for Telegram. Bringing the next question. This is the second last question of today's quiz to Jeet. Yinsen removed much of the shrapnel from Tony's body and helped him keep him alive long enough to build an electromagnet in his chest to keep the remaining shrapnel from entering his heart. This incident later helped Tony to create a life-saving device for the long run. What was that device that Tony created for himself?
The arc reactor.
Brilliant answer. It is the arc reactor.
अरे क्या है ये? क्या है ये?
It's the most clear image that I had.
This is Indian version of Tony. He is Indian version of Tony.
So arc reactor. I mean, I made this question for this image. So arc reactor gets 10 points to Jeet, bringing the last question of today's quiz to Jitendra. Mikoyan and Gurevich Design Bureau was a Russian aerospace and defense company headquartered in Moscow. Founded in 1939, it held contracts of various different governments and catered to them with a monopoly. The major development by this company was in terms of a particular aircraft that has been commissioned in several countries' air force. What was the name of the famous aircraft?
Boeing.
Jitendra, did you say Boeing?
Boeing. Yeah,
no,
Boeing.
Not Boeing. Going to Anshuman.
Mirage.
Okay, not Mirage. Going to Shwetank.
Is Mirage a legit aircraft?
Yeah.
Force. Pass.
Going to Jeet.
MiG.
Brilliant answer. It is the MiG fighter jets.
अरे यार, close.
So Mikoyan ka MI and Gurevich ka G became MiG. That brings us to an end to today's quiz. Just give me 1 second to get the score tallied.
दोनों जीत गए.
We do not need a tiebreaker.
मेरे और अंशुमन में लग गया.
नहीं, उसमें भी नहीं है.
भाई मैं तो लास्ट हूँ.
So let's talk about the fun points, because this has been a very funny episode. So on the fun points front, everyone scored quite well. Jitendra has 5 points. Shwetank has 7. Jeet also has 7. And Anshuman has beaten the last two champions, who had 7 points each, with a total of 14 points.
Oh,
So,
oh
Anshuman
my God.
is
भाई
the winner
बुलाया
for
करो ना भाई.
today's.
कॉमेडी अगली बार स्टैंड अप भी प्रिपेयर करके आऊंगा भाई.
for
आदित्य
today's.
इस बार अमेरिका भेजना पड़ेगा गिफ्ट.
हाँ तो
बस
अमेरिका
gift है
में
क्या
भी
भाई?
अमेजोन है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होता. तो
बस कैंडिडली बात कर रहे हैं ना, वो स्टैंड अप
वो
बन जाएगा.
एक्चुअली मैं हाफवे के पास ही समझ गया था कि यार इस बार थोड़ा ज्यादा खर्चा होगा.
अरे भाई
तो
इसका भी गिफ्ट है क्या भाई फन पॉइंट
हाँ,
का?
हाँ
तो
जी.
एंड एंड में जो सबसे ज्यादा लाता है उसको भी गिफ्ट है. सो
माशाल्लाह.
नाउ ऑन द मेन क्विज पॉइंट्स, अंशुमन lands with 12 points.
फन पॉइंट
Shwetank
ज्यादा.
uh, Shwetank lands with 25. Jitendra, for as compared to a debutant, lands with 43. And the winner of today's quiz is Jeet with 75 points, which means Jeet and Jitendra both qualify into the semifinals. So we'll be meeting next week. एक तो यार जीत एंड जीत लिखना पड़ रहा है. हाँ. So
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. मुझे मेरा मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं.
हालेलुया.
So with this, we come to an end to today's quiz. Thank you, Shwetank and Anshuman for participating, and congratulations to Jitendra and Jeet. And we'll be seeing you soon in the semifinals. To those who are watching, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and you know the drill. You don't do it, that's a different thing. So that will be all from my side. Thank you.